In this video, we're going to see how the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat can be used to create bookmarks using listed words within a PDF. Begin by opening your PDF document of choice in Adobe Acrobat. Next, click Plugins in the upper menu, and then Bookmarks, then Bookmark Words from List. The pop-up window will appear, and in the white box, you can type the relevant data, terms such as words or sentences that you would like to bookmark. Note that each term should be on a separate line. There is a matching options panel on the right. These options can be chosen by clicking them. Here we have the Match Whole Words Only option and the Match Text Case options checked. There is also an option to select a page range. Process All Pages is set by default. Click OK to start the bookmarking process. A dialog box will open, showing how many bookmarks have been created. Click OK. Now you can navigate the document by clicking on the bookmark titles in the bookmark panel on the left. This same feature of the AutoBookmark plugin, Bookmark Words from List, can also be used to generate bookmarks from the content of a text file. Note that this file's format should be in plain text. To put this into practice, start the same way by selecting the Plugins tab in the upper menu. Then click Bookmark, then Bookmark Words from List. When the pop-up window appears, push the Load from Text button in the lower left corner. In this next box, browse for the necessary text file on your computer. Select the file and press the OK button. The text from this file will now appear in the edit box. It can be edited if necessary, as each piece of text should be on a separate line. For this example, we will check the Bookmark Terms in Listed Order box from the matching options on the right. This will make the order of the bookmarks the same as those listed in the text file. Press OK at the bottom of the pop-up window. After it's processed, a dialog box will show displaying the number of bookmarks that have been created. Click OK on this box. Now you can navigate throughout your PDF document by clicking on these new bookmark titles on the left in the Bookmarks panel.